Hello and welcome everybody to fourth devlog of our series. Today I've kinda did some inventory polishments, some sound effects as well. And as you can see the info of the item when I hover it. And I added an item edit info notification. Here it just shows the latest item at the moment. I couldn't still finish the item grab, picking up items. I am working on the interactive system as well at the same time, so it takes some little bit of time. Except that I couldn't do a lot today, unfortunately. A little bit of polishing and nothing else. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you later.